I'm Emma Real Davies, a gardening expert at QVC, and I am so excited to be here at BBC Gardeners World Live in QVC's reflective retreat garden. Oh my gosh, we are so proud to have partnered for a second year with the wonderful Kitti Kovacs. We worked with her last year on a garden, and honestly, she has designed a second garden for us, and it is absolutely stunning. So stunning, in fact, that she has only gone and won a platinum award. And I mean, you can see why. This garden is absolutely beautiful. You can probably hear that throughout the garden, we have got a stream running through it, punctuated by a beautiful, beautiful water feature. The sound of the water is so reflective, so calming. It really encourages you to slow down and have a little moment. The garden itself is also dotted with a really beautiful series of trees. We've got aces, we've got a Cercis canadensis forest pansy, we've got some cornus in here as well, copper beech, and of course we had to include QVC's wonderful Oslo egg chair, which, as you know, comes in a stunning variety of colours, from the sage green to the natural, the grey graphite, and even the fun pink and the lavender. For me, this garden is all about colour, which I know might sound weird because it's not the brightest of gardens, but the colour palette is absolutely stunning. We've got things like the cotinus here, the smoke bush, which has got this beautiful deep dark burgundy red to it. You can see it in the lovely, lovely leaves, and the flowers are stunning, very small, but en masse they look like smoke. And then the colour of the cotinus is picked up in things like our wonderful penstemon, that beautiful dramatic dark stem, and the Nautia macedonia, which creates that lovely wild effect. All of which with a stunning fragrance of the Valerian officinalis, which has that beautiful vanilla sweet scent to it. It really is the most stunning garden. The planting, the water, the moments of the garden furniture, QVC's reflective retreat garden, absolutely beautiful. You can discover more with My Garden Escape at QVCUK.com.